Hi guys, welcome back to Ken07. This is the second one I've put on today. I did one previously of a tiger in water. This one was a reference of a gentleman who has been very, very inspiring to me in my creations of my artwork, my ability to get back into drawing. Really inspiring. His name's Aaron Blaze, really great artist, fantastic. He has done lots of work on Walt Disney, Aladdin, Brother Bear, Mulan. Absolute fantastic animator and illustrator. Absolutely amazing. A guy called James as well, who was absolutely fantastic at fantasy artwork that really pushed me and drove me to really start being creative and getting out there and getting into drawing again. I just hope that I could do that to everybody that watches on my channel, so I want to give a massive shout out to everybody that watches and subscribes. Love the bones here. It's the reasons why I do it, is to inspire other people to get out there and give it a go, get into drawing. It's such a relaxing feeling, and hours fly by, which is really nice. Good for the soul. Good for the soul. I hope you enjoy, guys, and as always, please subscribe, share it, tell a friend, and good day.